Tanya Hosmer with Keller Williams Luxury International. Welcome to 1033 Founders Ridge Lane. Want to know what I love about this house? Come on in, let me show you around. I mean, wow, look at these high ceilings. The light just pours in from the windows above. Here's one of my favorite features of this amazing house, the recently modernized kitchen. Gather your family and friends around the island and cook up a storm. This amazing kitchen features all top-of-the-line, professional-grade appliances. There's a Genair cooktop, double oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher, all with gleaming stainless steel. Cozy up with a good book on a cold night and enjoy the beautiful fireplace in the sunroom. The 20-foot ceilings continue at the rear of this house with its sweeping stairway to the upper level. Wait until you see what's upstairs. One of my other favorite features of this home is the enormous primary suite. What a great space to start and end your day. Let me show you the beautiful and spacious primary bathroom. It was recently updated. Unwind after a busy day in the relaxing soaking tub. Come on down and let me show you another space that I love, the expansive lower level. Start your day off on the right foot and get a great workout in the home gym. The lower level includes a roughed-in media room waiting for you to personalize it for all your entertainment needs.